Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today we're comparing two popular drones, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone and the Holy Stone drone HS430. Let's dive in and see which one takes flight as the better choice for you. Starting with the price, the Bwine F7 comes in at $258, while the HS430 is a budget-friendly option at just $77. If you're looking to save some cash, the HS430 is definitely the more economical choice. The Bwine F7 features a 4K UHD camera, offering stunning visual quality. Reviewers love its high-definition footage, comparing it favorably to more expensive models. On the other hand, the HS430 comes with a 1080p camera, which is good, but not quite as impressive. Reviewers note that while the HS430 provides decent video quality for the price, it doesn't match the Bwine F7's clarity. When it comes to flight time, the Bwine F7 offers up to 60 minutes with its two batteries, making it ideal for longer adventures. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, though some mention it struggles in high wind conditions. The HS430, with around 30 minutes of flight time, is still a solid performer, but requires more frequent recharges. Users find it sufficient for shorter flights and fun sessions. Safety features are crucial, and the Bwine F7 excels with its GPS functionalities. It includes one key return, low battery auto return, and connection breakup recovery, making it nearly impossible to lose. Reviewers appreciate these features, especially for beginners. The HS430, while having some safety features like low battery warning, doesn't offer the same level of security. Users note that it's easy to set up, but requires more attention during flights. For fun and versatility, the Bwine F7 offers intelligent functions like waypoint flying, orbit mode, and subject tracking. Reviewers find these features enhance their flying experience. The HS430, with high-speed rotation, circle fly, and throw to go, brings a playful edge to the table. Users enjoy these fun features, making it a great choice for casual flying. Both drones are beginner-friendly but in different ways. The Bwine F7 is robust and comes with tutorial videos and a beginner mode, making it a good starting point. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly setup. The HS430, however, goes a step further with features like headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3 speed switch. Users find it particularly easy to fly, even for complete novices. Overall, reviewers praise the Bwine F7 for its high-quality camera, extended flight time, and advanced GPS features, though some note its higher price and occasional performance issues in high wind. The Holy Stone HS430 receives positive feedback for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, despite having a less impressive camera and shorter flight time. So which drone is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Check out the product links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching. Buy smart and happy flying.